how to unsync contacts on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application here, and let's just wait for a bit. Now it will lead you directly to your homepage. Right now on the bottom part you will see different options there. You will see home, shop, a plus icon, inbox, and profile. Tap on profile there and it will lead you to your profile section. Now here on the middle part you will see edit profile, add friends, and your Instagram icon. Tap on add friends there, and as you can see, you will see contacts there in the very first option. And as you can see here, there are people that are from your contacts. That means your TikTok application is actually synced to your contacts. Now, to unsync that is all you have to do is to go directly here to your settings and find and go to the TikTok application there. Here, and as you can see here, you have allowed TikTok to have an access to your contacts. So just toggle that off. And basically that is how you unsync contacts on TikTok. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.